by the pond where the lilies grow, ducklings gather in a lively show. Splish and splash with a quack, 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 singing in a chorus they never hold back. The sun shines bright on their feathered coats, ripples dance as they hit high notes. Wings go flapping with a joyful cheer. The pond is alive when the ducklings are near. Little duck Daisy starts the song. Her brothers and sisters all sing along. Quack, quack, coo goes their merry tune, echoing sweetly 'neath the silver moon. A frog joins in with a deep bass croak, followed by a splash from a sneaky joke. The ducklings giggle, then sing once more. Their melody spreads from shore to shore. Paddle, paddle, waddle and spin. The fun never stops when the song begins. Round they go in a bubbly ring. Life at the pond is a wondrous thing. As the day ends and the sky turns gold, the singing ducklings feel brave and bold. They hum a lullaby soft and slow, dreaming of tomorrow when new songs will grow.